dose. Welcome back, by the way. Facebook has said it's free and always will be. Well, some of that might be changing. Facebook may let groups charge you for membership.
I don't think I'll buy into this idea, but we'll tell you about this. So we all know Facebook has tons of groups you can click and like, right? Whether it's for, music or movie stars or political parties. Now Facebook will let group administrators charge $5 to $29 a month for exclusive membership in certain groups. Facebook says it will first test this feature in some lifestyle groups like parenting, cooking, or home cleaning. So we asked Trey Bodge, smart shopping expert with Gift Card Granny, if groups who charge for membership will make them more exclusive or make users click the unlike button.
A lot of Facebook groups are already closed anyway, and you can only get in by invite. And so the exclusivity really comes with a lot of these groups already. To then pay on top of that, I'm not so sure. And I think that the average consumer, the average person who maybe belongs to a parenting group, it's going to be tough to swallow to pay a monthly fee. However, if it's affordable and the group is of great value to them, I can see that. But I have heard that some of these groups can cost as much as $25 a month. And I think that's going to be really cost prohibitive for the average person.
Well, Trey went on to say because so much free content is already available on Facebook and on the Google, these pay-to-join groups will have to offer something pretty spectacular. She said she also thinks a one-time entry fee would be a better start than a monthly subscription. I agree.